channel. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing haul on this ring light right here that my husband got me. So if you would like to see this unboxing haul, then just keep watching. Okay y'all, so I already took everything out of the box because it was heavy. So I'll go ahead and put this down here. So the first thing that was in the box was this bag right here. Open it. This is the bag right here. It's the back of it. Open it. Okay, so it has, the first thing that's in here is this little thing right here. It's to hold your iPhone. I'll go ahead and put this down real quick. So there's this right here, and it has like a little adjustable ball, so that way it can move around. So if you need to move your phone up or down. And then this seems really, really good, like good quality. It's really sturdy. So there's that came in there. And then here is the plug that goes into the wall, and this connects also to, I believe it connects to the ring light because it has this right here. So we'll just see. So this is the adapter, so you can plug in. It's really neat. Let's see what else. Oh, there's also a remote control. I'll put this back in here. So there's also a remote control. Oh, that's really cool. It's a Bluetooth remote control, and it connects to Android and iPhone. There's that right there. This is really cool, guys. Let's see. So now we have this box right here. Let's see. This is the big old tripod. So it's this right here. This is folded. So let's go ahead and open it. Whoa. Y'all, this is so cool. So these right here are the little adjustables where you can adjust this. So you just adjust this, and then, oh, this one too. Yeah, you can adjust that right here, and then to make it stay, just move this right here. Let me tie this one right here. Okay, there. It's super, super tall, y'all. It goes like even higher. It's literally like not almost touching the ceiling, but kind of almost close. Wow, I probably don't need it that tall. I'll probably use this whenever I go onto the beach and I want to go fishing. That would actually be really good, so y'all can watch me fish. Really get like a good angle. So there's that. This is so cool, guys. I'm super, super excited to use this because the one I have is literally like this big. Like I have to put a box, like right now it's sitting on a box so that way you can see me, so you have a good angle. So this would be perfect. I don't have to struggle anymore to find a box. So let me tighten this. Let's go ahead and put this back up. Wait. And just turn it upside down. And then fold it back up. So yeah, just like that. I'm super excited to use this, guys. He paid, I believe, $105 for this. He said it was like $99, and then plus tax it came out to $105. So that's really not that bad. I've been wanting to get one. I should have got one, but when he got me this one, we got it at Walmart, and it works really good too. So I've just always just been like, oh, okay, like this is fine. But lately I've been wanting to do like fashion haul, like Fashion Nova hauls and stuff like that. And it's hard to get like my full body, like my outfit, because of the way my tripod is. It's super small, so I don't have like a good angle. So this is gonna be perfect. So yeah, he paid $105, and that's not bad because I've seen some that come out to like $200, $300. So $100 is not bad. So this is the last thing that came in there. And I think this is where he wanted it. Here it is. I'll go ahead and open it. Oh my gosh, y'all, look how big this is. Oh, this is so awesome. It also has some adjustable knobs back here to make it dimmer. And then like the, what is this? The color temperature, like if you want a more warmer color or a brighter color. So I'm super excited. I like ring lights, like the one that I have right now, like it has it's adjustable too. So you can do like a warmer color, like a warmer temperature or a cooler temperature. That's what like the kind of ring lights that I like. I don't like the one that's just one solid color. So this is pretty cool. I'm super excited to try it. So yeah, this is it, guys. I'm gonna have him help me put it together. I mean, there's no instructions. It didn't come with any instructions, and I'm sure it's pretty easy. You probably just put this on there and then put this on here. But knowing me, I'll probably mess something up, so I'm gonna have my husband help me. But yeah, other than that, I'm super excited to use this. He got it for me. He's like, I got you something in the mail, it's coming. And I'm like, what is it? I'm thinking it's like my gold necklace that I've been asking for, but it wasn't. But I'm super excited with this. I'd rather have this instead of my gold necklace because I've been wanting one of these. I just haven't invested in one because I see the price and I'm like, no. But then I go and buy $100 worth of groceries. So I'm really happy that he got this for me. And yeah, guys. I will probably do a video maybe next week and let y'all know how it's going with this, if I like it, if it's worth the price. And I really think it is. Like, it seems like really sturdy, like good quality, so I'm super excited to try it out. I'm excited to take pictures too because I love to take pictures. So, and then I get to do my TikToks, so I'm really excited to use this. Let me put this back in the bag. Yeah, because like I said, the tripod that I have right now, it's like super small. Like really small. So this is actually gonna come in handy, guys. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all next week and then let y'all know how it's going with this. And I'll insert a picture at the end and show y'all what it looks like when we put it together, how big it is. But oh my gosh, it's gonna be super huge. Like if it's almost touching my ceiling, yeah, it's gonna be big. So yeah, if y'all have any questions, comment below. I will put the link to this ring light in the description box just in case you want to look into buying one. So yeah, I'm super excited to try it out. I'm so happy that he got it for me and I'm ready to use it because I have my hair and my makeup done and I'm ready to take Instagram pictures. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture right here of the ring light put together. It is super big, it's super tall, it's a 19-inch ring light, so I'm super excited, I'm ready to use it. So if y'all have any questions, comment down below, and yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.